Good morning. Welcome to our first virtual Discover JJC being held today. My name is Jennifer Cloberdance, Director of Admissions and Recruitment at Joliet Junior College. On behalf of the college, I want to thank you for taking time out of your morning to join us, as we are excited to have you part of our event. This new virtual format for Discover JJC is an adventure for us as well, and we hope you find the information today valuable. Before introducing the president of the college, I want to highlight the following important information with you. This will help guide you through the morning's activities. The event is available until 11 o'clock a.m. There are links on the Discover JJC website via Microsoft Teams, which can allow you to learn more about student services departments such as admissions, advising, financial aid, and many more, and what each department can provide to you. There will be live Q&A sessions available within each department link that will begin at 9:30 a.m. The only exception is Culinary Arts that will be doing a live demo at 9:15 a.m. There will be an overview of guide academic pathways and links to academic departments within each pathway. These links will allow you to meet virtually with professors in the pathways areas that interest you, attend a variety of sessions and demonstrations about specific academic programs. There will also be live Q&A sessions available within each link that begin at 9:30 a.m. We have also added a website chat feature on the main Discover JJC page, which is available throughout the event for any general questions. Finally, please remember to fill out the contact form at the bottom of the Discover JJC webpage if you did not RSVP. After the event is over, everyone will receive an email with a survey link. Upon completing the survey, your name will be entered into a drawing for a free class. Rules and regulations about the free class will be included in the email. And finally, it is my privilege to introduce our JJC President, Dr. Judy Mitchell, who will provide a welcome to all of you. Thank you, Dr. Mitchell, for being part of the Discover JJC event today.
Welcome to Discover JJC. I know your time is valuable, so I thank you for choosing to spend it with us. Despite the challenges of 2020, our mission has never changed. Everyone deserves the right to learn and to have access to education. Education opens doors to opportunity. Raising two now grown children, I can imagine what you're going through to make your decision on where to attend. One of my children attended a 4-year institution right away, and the other began their educational journey at JJC. Today, I can stand here before you and tell you that both graduated and are doing well, but a valuable lesson learned as parents. We saved a tremendous amount of money beginning with JJC. I mention costs because it is so important for students and parents. JJC is approximately 1/3 of the cost as compared to attending a select public university and less than 3/4 of a private Illinois university. That's a significant difference, money that you can save for your next child or towards future planning. We know life is unpredictable and so many things have changed. If you choose JJC, I can tell you what will always be a constant: quality education, access to resources and financial support, and compassionate faculty and staff who want you to succeed. We also have many support services, including financial aid and scholarships, mentorship and support through teams like Project Achieve, Career Services, and the Advising Center, and the Student Mental Health and Wellness teams, plus so much more. In addition to offering over 180 plus programs, JJC offers 9 customized pathways that make it easy for students to choose a major or career program based on their interests and strengths. Take it from me, I'm a proud JJC alumna. When I came to JJC as a returning adult student nearly 25 years ago, I never thought I would one day become the college's 9th president. But that's the thing about education, and especially about JJC. It will change your life. I hope you enjoy your experience and that one day I will meet you in our beautiful hallways. Stay well. Thank you.
Thanks so much for deciding to join us at Discover JJC. We're really looking forward to having some time to talk in greater detail with you about the academic pathways at Joliet Junior College. For now, here's a little slideshow that'll give you kind of a broad strokes overview about the guided academic pathways at JJC. The focus of my talk this morning is to talk to you about our guided academic pathways. Now, these are pathways that help students identify similar majors, reduce duplication of courses, and complete on time and on budget. We cluster similar majors together and we call them guided because we build in support from advising, career services, work-based learning, and other programs to keep students moving forward on the path, whether they're jetting down at 6 courses at a time or just one at a time. Now, it's not uncommon to realize that the program you might start out with won't really be the program you decide you want to finish with. And our pathways are designed to account for this. By grouping kind of cousin programs together, we help students make these adjustments without major losses of time or tuition dollars. These programs often share introductory required courses or use the same group of courses for electives, so you can move inside the pathway without losing too much steam. There are 9 guided academic pathways at Joliet Junior College. These are the 9 here. The rest of this presentation is going to take a look into each of these and highlight some of our unique opportunities inside each pathway. Agricultural sciences and veterinary technology is our first pathway. Now, this pathway prepares students for either transfer or immediate employment in modern agricultural, horticultural, and veterinary science industries. Students in this pathway make the most of on-campus facilities such as our Whitendorf Agricultural Education Center and our J.F. Richards Land Laboratory. They also get to use our state-of-the-art greenhouse, which is the first LEED registered greenhouse at a community college in the nation. Students in horticultural sciences are prepared for exciting careers such as landscape contracting, floral design, turf grass management, urban forestry, and greenhouse management. Students in our vet tech program get trained and educated to prepare them to become certified veterinary technicians. Our graduates work at animal shelters and hospitals, research facilities, and even the world renowned Shed Aquarium in Chicago. Architecture, manufacturing, and automotive. This pathway is for folks who enjoy figuring out how things work and solving hands on problems. JJC offers hands on learning opportunities in state of the art facilities such as our automotive shop and our orthotics lab. Students in this pathway are well prepared to enter the workforce upon graduation or transfer to a 4 year school. Our students learn about every aspect of technical careers such as industrial maintenance, construction management, HVAC, and welding in this family of programs. Students learn basic skills in troubleshooting while attending classes at our facility and using modern equipment and technology. And students get not just hands-on experience, but they also finish the program with a professional skill set that's in high demand by a variety of employers. Now, if you're a natural born leader who considers yourself an influencer among your friends, or if you're organized, enjoy math and new technologies, business, finance, and information technology could be the pathway for you. You can expect opportunities for leadership experiences and training with the latest technology or preparation for industry certification exams that all lead to high paying, in demand job opportunities. Whether your goals are to earn a bachelor's degree, enter a business career immediately, or advance at your current job, JJC's business department can help. Our faculty bring real world experience to the classroom, preparing students with the knowledge and skills they need to succeed in an ever changing business environment. And as technology increasingly plays a vital role in every facet of our lives, job opportunities for information technology graduates expand every year. JJC offers degrees and certificates in many exciting and cutting edge areas such as Cisco, management information systems, and programming. Culinary hospitality and tourism is our next pathway. The Culinary Arts program at JJC offers students a first class education at one of the most highly respected culinary programs in the nation and in one of the most state of the art facilities in the world. Some other highlights of our culinary program include award winning faculty, such as our Tim Bucci, who earned a certified master chef title in 2019, or Chef Andy Shelbana, who won first place while competing on the Food Network Spring Baking Championship in 2016. Students get hands-on learning opportunities with the latest equipment, and we also have two student-run and operated restaurants. Flexibility in course offerings, especially for those who want to work in hospitality, event planning, restaurant, and hotel industry, abound. As you may already know, hospitality is the second largest industry in the United States, employing nearly 14 million people. JJC graduates have gone on to land a variety of careers in this field, including jobs in restaurants, hotels, casinos, and special events and meeting planning. Now, if you're a quick problem solver, enjoy working with your hands, conducting research, this field could be for you. JJC can prepare you for several in demand, high paying career fields such as nursing, sonography, rad tech, cybersecurity, and more in health, public safety, and human services pathway. We also have fields like fire science and emergency medical services or law enforcement. These programs combine traditional classroom experiences with high fidelity simulations, virtual reality technology, and campus based laboratories. We also provide students with clinical experiences in local health facilities, and many of these programs prepare students for state or nationally recognized credentials in these health fields. Our next pathway is the liberal and fine arts. Students in this pathway generally aim to transfer to a university to complete their bachelor's degree. But while they're at JJC, liberal and fine arts students enjoy courses in literature, philosophy, journalism, communication, and other humanities. Students can expect foundational classes taught by expert instructors with experience from around the world. We have fully equipped studios in painting, design, ceramics, interior design, graphic design. Our small student to teacher ratio in the studio courses offers hands on learning opportunities from our faculty of professional artists sharing their craft with students. Whether enjoying exhibitions in our state of the art Laura A. Sprague Art Gallery or mounting a play at our Black Box Theater, opportunities to experience hands on creating of the arts are bountiful. In fact, this year we're bringing our art gallery to you so you can experience art straight from your living room. We're excited to present our first art gallery of the year, The Art of Influence Breaking Criminal Traditions. You can access it from our website, jjc.edu. If you're an empathic servant leader who enjoys helping others, learning about human behavior, and working in groups, social and behavioral sciences pathway could be for you. JJC can prepare you for several in demand career fields such as psychology, sociology, education, human services, and more. You can expect to participate in classroom activities that will enhance your resume and easy transfer opportunities to our 4 year partners. Some other highlights include classes that teach basic strategies that professionals use in the field every day, preparations for certifications that can help you enter career paths after only a few semesters, and fundamental classes that will improve your confidence and skill set. Our STEM pathway focuses on science, technology, engineering, and math, and is perfect for those who are analytical and mathematically minded. You can expect professors with industry experience and a variety of electives to choose from so that you can customize your learning based on your individual interests. Students in this pathway generally aim to transfer to a university to complete their bachelor's degree. But other highlights of this pathway include opportunities for immediate employment upon graduation, or on campus resources like the Dr. William M. Zales Arboretum, the Herbert Trackman Planetarium, and the Prairie Restoration Project. We also feature a fitness center and kinesiology classes, including a certificate in personal training. The last pathway is the workforce and training pathway. Now, this is for folks who aren't looking to earn college credit, but instead want to find a hands on, non credit career training program like real estate, forklift driving, or dental assisting. Our workforce development program also offers services throughout the community and at every JJC location, and includes things like basic skills prep, college transition assistance, ESL tutoring, and classes to prepare people for citizenship tests. Many career prep programs for the community also include things like Connect to Your Future, our program that provides free training in high growth, high demand occupations to individuals ages 18 to 24. We also do continuing education and lifelong learning classes for kids and teens and adults. And as you can see here, our featured programs, these lead to short term industry training. You can learn all about these pathway opportunities and more at jjc.edu/choose your path. Thanks for letting me spend some time with you today, and I hope to see you at JJC soon.
Welcome to Discover JJC. Here's a quick guide on how to navigate the webpage this morning. The Q&A sessions will run from 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m., with the exception of a culinary arts presentation that starts at 9:15 a.m. By clicking on this link, you can watch a short animated video explaining JJC's pathways. If you don't have time to attend any Q&A sessions today, please click on the contact link so we can reach out to you. To view a pathway's Q&A sessions, click on the plus sign next to the desired pathway. You will then see all of that department's Q&A sessions. Click on the button to join the team session. Some sections have multiple Q&A sessions, like Veterinary Medical Technology. As you scroll down, you will see all of the participating departments, along with their Q&A sessions when you click on them. Some sections have both a live Q&A session and a video with information about the program. If you did not RSVP to Virtual Discover JJC, please click on the form link at the bottom of this page. If you need assistance during the event, please click on the chat box to speak with a representative. Thank you for attending our first ever Virtual Discover JJC. We look forward to seeing you.